HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Reliance and Infosys were a bit of a drag on Monday, but I think that's a completely different picture now. Over the last couple of days, we have seen a complete reversal in terms of the global trends that we have seen. And even if you look at from the recent lows, Nikunj, whether it's the Dow, whether it's the Nasdaq, whether it's Nifty, they've all rallied quite hard from the lows. In fact, Nasdaq is up 10% from the October lows.
See, I'm not at all surprised. I mean, just like you can sometimes count the tea leaves, the risk has returned. That is what we must realize. The decline in bond yield, the crack in crude, the market has managed to climb the wall of worry, and then in a sense what you've seen is that the seasonality which has kicked in. Now, whether it is the year-end rally or the Santa coming early or Diwali getting extended, our channel view has been that you had to prepare your portfolio for a last hurrah. And I think the last hurrah is not over. Now, we can endlessly get into small caps, mid cap, valuations, but the bottom line here is that globally, there seems to be a strong bullish undercurrent, and we must respect that undercurrent. Why is that undercurrent evident? Yields have reversed, crude is down, inflation is manageable, and dollar index, which is again an indicator of the macro terrain, I think is favorable. Then you've got in India a market where everyone is worried about the recent rally in small and mid cap stocks. Nobody is ready to commit more. There is so much of disbelief that despite FI selling, the market actually is holding on. So I think the last hurrah in the market is not done yet. Now, in next couple of days, we'll know that this is going to be a new high, or the markets may just go to a new high and they may just retreat from there. Bear in mind that in the month of November and now till in the run up till December, you don't have too much calendar event. So a lot of news may not be thrown at the market. So if a lot of news will not be thrown at the market and earnings season is almost done, then market upside would be a function of global macros, sentiment, momentum, flows and liquidity. On all that account, you take the liquidity part aside on the FI front, I guess by and large market I think are in a good steady state. Now the small cap index has already hit a new high, and if this current momentum in the global market continues, I will not be surprised that not only we will make a new high before the year ends, I think we could be convincingly before a new high. See, large cap stocks have not rallied. And it's very easy for me to say, okay, law of gravity has to kick in, let's respect Sir Isaac Newton. We can talk about all that. But Newton also told us that if a body is in momentum, it will stay in that momentum until and unless an external force is applied. So rather than looking at Newton's law of gravity, I would look at more laws of Newton, which say that when the steady state of the matter changes because of momentum, it remains in momentum till the time an external force is not applied. And that external force here could be global, macro, geopolitical, or something which is not visible right now. So if global cues are strong, if flows are decent, if market are not positioned for any year-end rally, that is the time then bulls surprise you.